Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Filipino cuisine. If you're a foodie like us, you're in for a treat. So, grab some snacks, sit back, and let's explore the vibrant flavors of Filipino dishes. First up, we have the classic Filipino appetizer, chiquiris. These are made with sliced raw pork, marinated in a mixture of soy sauce, calamansi juice, garlic, and ginger. It's then wrapped in lettuce leaves and served with a spicy kick. Trust us, you'll need this on your foodie bucket list. Next, let's talk about sampaguita. This is a popular Filipino street food made of rice cooked in coconut milk, topped with diced chicken, shrimp, and vegetables like eggplant and bell peppers. It's seasoned with a blend of spices, giving it a unique and delicious flavor. For our main course, we can't forget about panatana. This is a Filipino stir-fried noodle dish made with eggs, pork, and a variety of vegetables, such as bamboo shoots, bell peppers, and onions. It's cooked in a savory sauce made from soy sauce, calamansi juice, and garlic. And finally, we have makay, a delicious dessert made from coconut milk, sugar, and pandan leaves. It's cooked until the sugar caramelizes and the coconut flakes come together, creating a heavenly, creamy treat. So there you have it, a taste of some of the mouth-watering Filipino dishes. We hope you enjoyed this vlog and that it inspires you to try some of these delicious foods for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food adventures. Until next time, happy eating!